air raid which is coming in. And look at Israel, for example, with formidable air defense, along with civilian measures being implemented to raise the alert, to carry out evacuations, to call upon people to head towards bunkers. So such plans are generally seen in certain countries like Israel, in Europe, even in US to an extent. But India is largely unprepared for this. Even if you look at, let's say, Taiwan. Taiwan has underground bunker facilities. There are regular mock drills conducted in case of a Chinese invasion into Taiwan. Right? The population has been prepared in general. The civilian administration, right, with the help of volunteers, they would have conducted these drills, created required facilities to prepare for any eventuality. So India, it does have some infrastructure in this regard, but we are largely unprepared for this. So let's see what the MHA circular says and what is the significance of this. The Home Ministry has written to the Chief Secretaries of all the states, especially few high priority states which are closer to the Pakistani border, to take immediate measures and conduct civil defense drills starting from tomorrow. According to reports, around 244 high priority districts near the border have been identified. But this drill will be conducted across the country as clarified by the Home Ministry. So today, mostly by evening, we'll get the final list as to which districts would be a priority. And it's not just big cities, even to the level of a village, these drills will be carried out. So the civil administration, that is the state governments, will call upon all the possible assets and resources available. This includes the civil defense units which are present. Then it includes the NCC, the National Cadet Corps, the NSS, the Nehru Yuva Kendras, the youth volunteers, college-going students. They would be called upon to assist the civil administration along with testing and assessing air raid warning systems. In case there is a breach of Indian airspace towards the western and northern borders, air raid warning system should go out so that civilians will have enough time to evacuate and possibly rush towards a bunker facility. In places like Jammu and Kashmir, closer to the LOC, there are few bunkers which have been built to protect civilians because of constant shelling from the Pakistani side. Even towards Rajasthan, there are few bunker facilities available. But other than that, in most other parts of the country, we don't have adequate bunkers. So civil administration will have to think creatively. We'll have to come up with ad hoc solutions, interim measures as to how to protect the civilian population in case there is a missile strike or an air raid by the enemy. So this will involve testing the hotline and radio links with the Indian Air Force, which is responsible for air defense, so that the volunteers and the civil authorities could warn the Indian Air Force and pass on information if necessary